Yeah, so guys, here's the gist. To get my hair done in Oba-Else's compound, and I overheard my hairstylist talk about one of Ogun State's signature dishes. And you know me, right? I love to explore food. So guys, today I am trying out really, she overhyped it, and I am ready to give it a try. Let's go and try it out. Guys, I am here already. I'm at the safe place, yes. Where I'll be trying out the Ijebu special delicacy, EBIRIPO. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it out. Let's go. Take it from me, the food is actually what we like. I really enjoy it, and I would have it a day and a day. This is top notch. I rate it 100 over 100.